Hello, everybody. I'm looking forward to an incredible town hall in beautiful Cedar Rapids, Iowa, with Sean Hannity. What a great guy. We'll be taking questions from Iowa caucus goers, talking about how we're going to end Joe Biden's inflation nightmare, stop the invasion of our southern border, defend our farmers, crush the deep state, and prevent World War III, because that's where we're headed. The war with Russia, Ukraine would never have happened. China would not be talking about Taiwan. They wouldn't be talking about it. They never did, and they are now. Bad things are happening for our country. We are really heading into possibly World War III. We have to make a change, and it has to be done fast. We have a man who's grossly incompetent as our president, and also the most corrupt president we've ever had. I hope you'll tune in, because we're going to have a great time. Thank you very much.